Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The Tikom Robot Vacuum versus the Robot Vacuum. These two products are packed with features that promise to make your cleaning routine a breeze. Let's dive into the details and find out which one comes out on top in this ultimate robot vacuum battle. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. One of the most sought-after features in a robot vacuum is the ability to sweep and mop. The Tikom Robot Vacuum offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function, equipped with an electronically controlled water pump and adjustable 3-level water output. This means you can enjoy a completely clean home with minimal effort. On the other hand, the robot vacuum also boasts a 2-in-1 mopping feature. It comes with a 1,400 pascals mopping function and a 230 milliliters electric control water tank. This allows for quick removal of dust, paper scraps, and other debris, making it suitable for all hard floors. Efficient navigation is crucial for a robot vacuum to clean your home thoroughly. The Tikom Robot Vacuum utilizes Gyroscope Smart Navigation, which follows an efficient zig-zag path. This improves cleaning efficiency by 30% compared to random path robotic vacuums. Meanwhile, the robot vacuum boasts advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance technology. Its full set of sensors intelligently identifies and avoids white walls, stairs, and obstacles. Additionally, its slim design allows it to reach every corner and clean leftover dirty areas. Let's talk about suction power and battery life. The Tikom Robot Vacuum offers a strong 2700 PA suction power, making it ideal for short and medium pile carpets as well as hardwood floors. It also features self-charging, meaning it will automatically return to the charging station once the battery is low. On the other hand, the robot vacuum has a brushless suction port, powered by a strong digital motor. This ensures strong suction power without the hassle of pet hair entanglement. With a 2,500 mAh battery capacity, it can continuously work for 100 minutes in a 1290 SQFT house before automatically returning to the charging base. Now let's talk about control options. The Tikom Robot Vacuum can be controlled via an app, allowing you to choose from 5 cleaning modes: Smart Clean, Edge Clean, Spot Clean, Random Clean, and Manual Clean. It is also compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home, and comes with a remote control for added convenience. Similarly, the robot vacuum can be controlled through a smart app, allowing you to create a cleaning schedule, change the clean mode, and control the clean direction. It is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, and includes a remote control. Lastly, let's discuss some additional features. The Tikom Robot Vacuum comes with Carpet Boost, which automatically increases suction power on carpets for deeper cleaning. It also includes boundary strips, allowing you to set non-go areas. Just remember to remove the mop holder before cleaning carpets. The robot vacuum offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes, including auto, spot, edge, and zig-zag cleaning. The zig-zag path covers the largest area, reducing missed spots and increasing efficiency by 30%. Based on online reviews, the Tikom Robot Vacuum has been praised for its outstanding cleaning capabilities, advanced mapping technology, and powerful suction. Users appreciate its dual mopping system, large dustbin, and long battery life. The Tikom Robot Vacuum is also commended for its multiple cleaning modes, convenient remote control and smartphone app, as well as its sleek design that allows it to navigate under furniture quietly. On the other hand, the robot vacuum has received positive feedback for its ease of use, effective floor cleaning, and compatibility with Alexa. Users have also praised its longevity, water tank capacity, and user-friendly features. Overall, both products have received positive reviews, with the Tikom Robot Vacuum standing out in terms of customization and cleaning efficiency. And there you have it, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the Robot Vacuum compared in various categories. While both products have their strengths, the Tikom Robot Vacuum stands out with its adjustable water output, Gyroscope Smart Navigation, higher suction power, and self-charging capability. However, the robot vacuum excels with its advanced obstacle avoidance, brushless suction port, and versatile cleaning modes. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.